Hey guys, welcome to the Solution Architect channel. And in this video, I will explain just a few things, just a little bit of administration side on your account settings, and then we'll go on to selecting a theme for this WordPress site. So let's jump into this. It's really important to understand the account settings. So you can update your profile here. You can go in there on the right top, update your profile, personal settings, and more. If you go in there, you can change your photo, and you can change your display name. I'm going to change mine to the Solution Architect. Don't want to spend too much time here. You can save your profile and a few account settings. You can change the color of this, the way WordPress display. If you like a darker color, you can set a darker color here. I'm just going to leave it as is. Manage your purchases if you have any. I've got none. Security settings. You can change your password here. If you've got a very important site and you don't want anybody to use it, then it's probably best to do a two-step authentication, which either like SMS you a code or email you a code before you log in. It's just an additional security. I think it's really important as soon as you got like a site established where thousands of people are dialing into your site, and you don't want any hackers to be able to get into your site, steal your data or whatever. So it's really important to do that. Some privacy settings that you can put in here. Share information with analytics tools. At the moment, it doesn't really bother me. It will bother me when I've got like really thousands of people looking at my site, and this analytics will just get into my way. So a few notification settings you can set here. For example, it's important if you want to get a notification when someone comments on your, say you've got a blog or on your site they comment and you want to go and check it out, you want to get a notification, you can set a few notifications there for comments. Likes on my and replies, the same as Facebook or any social media. So you've got comments on my site, likes on my site, likes on my posts, site follows, site achievements, username mention. Just leave all of this on. You can get an email notification, and this is just to switch it on and off. And you can also go into any updates from WordPress itself. If they've got any suggestions, research, you can switch this off if you don't really want to receive so many emails. Read the subscriptions. You can change this to never send an email, or send an email daily, or send it every week. This is for any subscriptions that you subscribe to. Then email delivery format, you can have a plain text or email. When do you want email delivery windows? On Mondays, between, or you can say on Tuesdays, whatever. Or you can just block all notifications. If you had, and unfortunately this is a real thing, there's a lot of people out there that is trolls. So there might be sites that you want to block, different types of sites that are trying to infiltrate your site. So you can block sites as well from accessing your site. Okay, let's go back to my site. And now we're going to go and select the theme. So let's go to design and go to themes. Okay, so you can select a theme, for your specific website. There's a lot of themes in here, and not all of them are free. So you have to if you select a theme, it will show you if it's free or not. If you just scroll a little bit more down, some of the themes here, you can also search for a specific theme, unlock all themes for premium plan. So you can click on free if you just want a free theme and not want to pay for it. So premium, you will have to subscribe and before you get a premium, or Just click on free sites, and that will show everything that is free. So it's got really a good selection of free templates that you can use. Okay, so I like this one. I'm going to open this and then we'll see what happens. You can change your theme later before you publish this, but just be wary if you put a lot of content in this. I just clicked on it and it opens up and it shows you more or less what type of, how it will look like. And you can change all these pictures and all the content in here, and all the information that you will get. It will show you how to use this theme as well. So this is everything, all the different pages that you will get inside this theme. Not sure if this theme will really work for me. Go to the top, because you don't want to, overcomplicate downloading it. Might complicate it. So just activate this design. Will activate it to your WordPress website. So I'm going to just activate this. And then you can go to customize the site for yourself. And that will take you straight into the home page of this website. As you can see, you've got a site title. You can change the site title. You've got your home. If you click on the edit button, you can edit this and change the name. And let's change the name. It goes on the left hand side. It's always on your left hand side where you actually will change the properties within the page. So the tagline is just a description of your website or blog or whatever you're going to do inside here. I'm just going to say update solution. So anything there, and you can just save this. Okay, so you can add a logo if you want. I'm not going to add a logo. You can add an icon of your site, and this icon will be displayed on your site like the WordPress icon. So I'm just going to select an icon. I've already added an image here. You can just drag and drop. So I'm going to drag and drop a few images to drag and drop. That's one of my Solution Architect images. I've got another one. And I've got a small one as well. But I'm going to use this one as an icon, the Solution Architect. And move myself out of the way here. Select. Skip cropping. Okay, and this is what will be displayed on the corner of my site. So you can have that in there. Okay, put myself back in the corner. And then if you want to change anything inside here, there is a few settings that you can do. Let's just save changes. And go back to the site here. There's colors you can change. So this was the site identity that we just been in. Now colors, you can change background colors if you want. You want to make it darker or really dark. I like that. You can change that color. You can even select an image in the background if you really want to. I'm not going to do that. So save changes, and then go back. You always go back clicking on this left button there. There is some fonts. There's some header images. This is the default font you can use. You can change the fonts to any font you want. So whatever fancies you. And change your header font. No, I don't want to change my heading font. I'm just going to cancel that. Header image. You can have an image. There's a few suggestion images here that you can use. Which one looks okay for... I'm going to use this one. and it will just give a nice image on the top there. And you can add your own image as well. So let's try and do that and say, okay, add new image. I'm going to select this one, which is my solution architect image. My face is in the way again. Select and crop. So this is what I want to do. Just move it into the middle there. And crop image. And this will give me a nice background on the top there, Solution Architect. I just don't like the font. I don't know why I changed my font. We'll save this. And go back here. Let's go back to fonts. I don't like that font at all. So it gives you a general idea of where to start, what to do. I like a normal font, Ubuntu. Okay, so there's a few items here that we're going to go into detail of each of these in one of my next videos. But this video, before it goes too long, I want to actually just pause here and then we'll start the next video. In the next video, it's very important to, I know I just roughly went in here, select the theme, and then just put a header in here, just to give you an example of how to select the theme. It's really important, even if you're not a seasoned IT person, very important to design your website, which means, a software design. You need to have some idea what the structure of your website will look like. And I will quickly touch on that in the next video before we do too much configuration on here and we have no idea where we're going. You have to have an end state, and as a solution architect, my day job is to create an end state or a future state of how the solution will look like, and I will briefly show you how it's done in the next video. Thanks for watching, and come back to the next video. I'll see you there.